My name is Joseph Geary. This will be the second time I've taken this class. Actually, at the beginning of last semester, for me, it would have been my third semester, I ended up having a heart attack and my health kind of took me downhill to not be able to actually pass this class or two other classes for that matter. But anyway, I'm in the marketing program. I hope one day to actually go beyond where I'm at right now. I like to get my bachelor's and then my master's. Right now, I also work as a marketing assistant at Bell Tower Resident Living over in Merrill. I like it a lot, actually. It's fairly interesting. We actually got to, well, I should say I actually got to, actually, for the first time, I ended up doing a commercial for the 4th of July and learning how to do that as far as mass communications goes. That interests me a lot, being able to use television, radio, even the internet. And I'm actually starting up my own little company right now. It's called New Brand Inc. Of course, my slogan, I guess you could say or saying, would be brand new ideas. Pretty much is what I'm consisting of, is that I help other companies brand or set logos and different designs and different ideas for whatever their brand logo, whatever their product is where I'm starting at right now for myself, and I have 2 accounts. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm just hoping my health kind of holds up. I also, my hobbies, I would have to say, is whittling or doing stuff with wood. I also like to build desks, tables, restore furniture, when I have the time. But right about now, I don't have any time for that. I'm basically full with everything I'm going on right now with school starting back up. But I'm hoping in these next couple semesters I can finally graduate and get my associate's degree. But the way I see it is that anything you put your mind to, you can do, and you should never let anybody else, family, friends, whoever else is out there, try to put you down with anything with your goals. I mean, I've had a lot of people tell me with my hardships with my health or anything in the past that I would fail. I've had a few people tell me that, but let me tell you something, it ain't going to happen. So everybody just needs to keep their head up and be strong and worry about yourself and worry about your own. Take care of yourself first. That's the best thing you can do. And then you can move on from there. Mass communication, I feel, is a great start for anybody. I think this is a great class. It gives you better awareness. And also the instructor, he's a great guy. He's very understanding with things. You just go to him about anything and he'll do what he can for you. And he really tries his best to do it. As long as you let him know what's going on and you keep him informed, he will do what he can for you. Okay? Just don't abuse it. But anyway, yeah, my name's Joe, and I hope to have a great semester with everybody and hope to hear from everyone soon.